Respected the Honorable Chairperson and Academic Director Neelakantam Sir Garu and Principal Prashant Sir Garu and in charge of Kidscape Sandeep Sir Garu, my colleagues and my dear children, the future of India. Why we are gathering here, you know very well, because we are sending the 10th class students into their higher education by giving best wishes. That is only called as farewell party, nothing but valedictory party. What is the importance of higher education? Education giving dignity, education giving recognition, education giving employment opportunity, education giving confidence, education giving a sure way of life, education giving a self-confidence in the human being also. Education shows to how to know others also. That is the importance of the higher education. How the higher education achieved by students? 10th class is basic, but when you go to the intermediate level, present is either jobs and admissions available in the national level, international level organization through the admission testimony. Of course, you may get excellent marks in the 10th class or intermediate in the public examinations. But when you go to the MSET, IIT, BITSAT and all University of Medical Sciences, most of the students are failure. They are not getting good ranks in the entrance purpose because they are not reading the subject very depth, because they haven't any awareness. Why they don't have awareness? Because parents not educating, and sometimes teachers may educating, but students may not follow. These are the conditions. So I would like to explain how to achieve the good ranks in higher education, right? When you go to intermediate level, you may take MPC, BPC. These are very important to get admission in the engineering colleges and medical colleges. If you take top level engineering college in the India, first Indian Institute of Technology, second National Institute of Technology, third Indian Institute of Information Technology, fourth one is University Campus, and fifth one is JNTU. If you have highly goal, if you attempt the national level entrances, of course you may fail in them, but compulsory you will achieve the at least university ranks or mid ranks. That is enough for you to get good job also. And when you take medical colleges, what are the famous medical colleges in the India? First one is All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Second is CMC Christian Medical College. Third is JIMPAT. Fourth is Delhi Institute of Medical Sciences. And fifth is SRM. I think that you don't know the evaluations. Because sometimes నాకు ఎందుకు అనిపిస్తే పిల్లలు చెప్తాను, ఒకసారి బాగా అనిపిస్తుంది, ఒకసారి నాకు నవ్వు వస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే మీకు తెలియలేక వెళ్ళాలి, మీరు తెలుసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకంటే మీరు ఫ్యూచర్కి వెళ్తారు, రేపు ఇంటర్మీడియట్ తర్వాత సెకండ్ ఇయర్కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత తెలిసిన తర్వాత అంత అయిపోతుంది అక్కడికి. When you're 10th class, if you know all these things, so you know, you will choose a correct target also. That is why, first, my small session to you. Please read the educational magazine. Please read the educational magazine. That give the information about education. What kind of education available in the society? How we have to take admission? How to we have to reach our goal? How to we have to reach our goal also? Next, how to achieve our goal in the nation level institutions? In IT, just you are reading the subject only. What are the lectures are teaching? That may be physics, chemistry, biology, whatever. You are just reading by heart the question answers. But when you go to intermediate level, what will happen, children? The questions are coming very depth. So if you follow some entrance books, you will know how to solve the problems in the physics, maths, chemistry. Now I am giving some name of books in the mathematics, physics, chemistry also. If you take physics, Cengage publication, now top one in the India. Second is Arihant publication. Third one is Deepthi publication. These are very useful for physics. And when you come to the chemistry also, Vikas publications and Cengage publications, very very important for chemistry. Maths Deepthi publication written by Anjana Sir garu, very famous faculty in the mathematics. So when you go to intermediate level, you have to read this day-to-day subject wise, and when you read the subjects according to the subject lessons wise, and after reading of the lessons, you have to practice the daily entrance purpose. You have to solve the problems in shortcut method. Then you will know time management and how to achieve goal. So these are very very important. What I mean, why I am telling about this nation level, if all the highly thoughts, automatically our mind also going highly thoughts. If all the cheap thoughts, our mind also decreasing day to day also. So how it is coming for you, how highly thoughts coming for you, according to Swami Vivekananda, faith in your selfness, faith in godness, it is the secret of our greatness. అంటే మనం ఒక పని చేసినప్పుడు మన పట్ల మనం నమ్మకం ఉండాలి. తర్వాత ఆ దేవుని పట్ల కనుక నమ్మకం ఉన్నట్టయితే మనం ఖచ్చితంగా మన యొక్క గోల్ను అచీవ్ చేసుకోవచ్చని నా యొక్క ఉద్దేశం. సో ఐ విష్ దట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ బెస్ట్ ఇన్ ద 10th class examination. Not only 10th class examination, I wish you have the bright future in your future studies and your in future also. Thank you very much.